What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Hey, I'm hyped. Cause I know y'all hyped too. Y'all be hyped too. Y'all finna see it. Hey man, I'm finna see old train smoke, see how I get down. On the outside view, of course I done tested it, man. I did 5 passes. I done did 5 10 hits on this thing, and I already got the thing go faster every time. You have to learn how the car handle, man. It's on a hard tire right now. It's on, so you know, it kinda is what it is. You got how to get that thing up out of there. But we finna see what it do. We finna see what it do. I had to wait till it cool off a little bit, cause I've been in this nat today. I've been driving, so I know y'all want to see it. I know y'all want to see it, but we're on a hard tire, so understand you ain't finna see full potential, obviously. But hope it don't blister the tire too bad, or I get it up out of there. But no, I'm gonna put some weight back there too, probably. But yeah, man, y'all stay tuned. We finna get to it. I'm finna get wifey to come on. Let's go to Mexico. And we finna see what old train smoke do, man, on these hard tires. So y'all stay tuned. Checking in, man. Y'all see when old train smoke taking a drive to Mexico. Finally finna see outside view. Finna see what this thing do, man. I say it's on a hard tire. I ain't even messing with no tire pressure, none of that tell. I'm just kinda getting the feel for the car, see how the car act, where I can roll it out, what type of what the power is, the torque, how torque it is, and all that good stuff, man. So you know, that what we got going on right now. But we finna eat the time, so we finna see what to it, man. See what's the old train smoke. See what's the old train smoke, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. You never know, boy. This joker here, it was tattering the tire bad too. Woo! Woo! Boy, hey, y'all know I've been playing with it, but this the fastest I. Hey, we working with. Hey, we working with something. That's my fastest pad. Yeah, I'm glad I was able to share this moment with y'all, man. Cause I had went my fastest pad. I ain't have it on camera. I was like, man, I hate I ain't recording. But I got it this time, man. So y'all stay tuned. We don't need to see nothing else, man. Y'all stay tuned. I want to see how I look on the outside. Alright, y'all. Put that back up. Just got finished covering up old train smoke. Old train smoke moved pretty good then, boy. Old train smoke moved pretty good. I'm telling you, hey, look, I have, if people ask right now, I have no clue the positioning of this car in the fleet. I really don't. I have no clue, man. Until I put a slick on this Joker and this car already set up for a 10-inch, I don't know. But this Joker just went pretty good right then. It just did pretty. It went the fastest it went since I done had it. That's my 7th pass, I think. 7th or 8th. Y'all be like, Jay, man, you just got the car. I know. I don't play around, man. I do not play around, man. I'm like a scientist. I'm a scientist with this stuff. I do not play around. My first hit, every time I made it go faster. By my 5th, on my 5th pass, I remember exactly, I got that Joker to go a number. I said, okay. I said, okay, we working with something. Cause y'all know I dibble and dabble with the hard tie a little bit. The small hard tie. The rims, I can get them to do. But I'm figuring the car. Every car different. Basically, you can have a car that make the same power, but in 2 different cars, they're gonna handle different. They're gonna react different. The rollout gonna be different. The tire width of matters, all that. So I had to see how this car handles and all that. That's what I mean. So it but honest to God, I'm glad I got to share that moment with y'all. Cause it was the fastest pass I done got to do so far. That was the fastest pass. I mean, and it went damn good. It went damn good to be on a hard tie. I'm serious, to be on a hard tie. That Joker put a good little number down there. I said, shoot. And I've been in this Joker today. I've been riding. See, I've been riding. I ain't recorded. But y'all seen the vlog I did another day. Cause some of this stuff y'all seeing is behind, it's spread out. But I've been riding. Man, I'm telling you. It did good. I'm proud. I'm proud, man. I've been enjoying the car more than anything. I just been driving. I've been driving it every day. I done drove it every day except one day. One day it rained, the bottom fell out, I just couldn't drive. But other than that, I've been driving it every day, man. I mean, y'all know when I first get them, I have to see how they do and all that, you know, road manners. The car it's a great car, but I knew it. I knew it anyway. I knew what I was getting anyway, man. That's why I wanted this car. And it's just nice. And man, Terry, he take care of his stuff. He always had some nice stuff. I've been rocking with him since he had a fast S10, boy. I'm talking about side X called Blue Balls. That was the name of the truck. Truck fast too, man. I got plenty of footage on it, man. I've been rocking with Terry. He been rocking with me. So I'm glad he let me purchase this car. But the car nice. The car is nice, man. What you gonna do, Jay? Well, for one, I'm trying to get me some wheels. I'm trying to get me some back wheels. I don't wanna take the billets. I don't wanna take the hard tires out the billets. I'm not gonna do that. But I tell y'all what, I am gonna mount this car up. I am gonna mount it up. I ain't going 24. I'm gonna put some 22s on it. I'm gonna show. I like to pull out different look. Man, put the 4. It's gonna be put the 4. I'm not putting 4s on it. I got one right there with some 24. I'm gonna put some 22s on this thing, and sit it like it's supposed to be set. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna pull it out. Just like meats look good as hell on them 4. It's about how you sit them. You ain't got to be like everybody else, man. It ain't no standard. I don't like following standards of what people think. I'm not following nobody's standard but mine. I'm gonna put some 22s on here, and when I get my choice of 22, y'all gonna see this car gonna be clean as hell. I promise you. When meats get repainted, no blemishes and all that, fresh top and fresh fenders and all that, fresh chrome, and people see how that car sitting on them folds, they're gonna be like, oh yeah, that's it. I'm telling you, it look good to me right now, but when I get it painted, 24, you ain't got to have super huge rim, man. 24, 22 considered a big rim. Still considered a big rim. Cause when you got SUVs still coming with them side rim, not cars, SUV, it considered a big rim, man. So 22s on this. I'm gonna put double adjustable coilovers all the way around. Like I said, I got singles on it. I'm gonna put double adjustables on all 4 corners. That's the first thing. I'm gonna do that immediately. I'm about to do that before anything though. Some good coilover, cause the car set up. It's a nice car. I'm gonna do that. And if I go ahead and get some 22, y'all know them gonna be my tires. They're gonna be on there all the time. So, I finna say I probably take these off, but I don't know. No, I'm not gonna take these out. I tell you what. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some 22. But when I get the 22, before I get them, I'm gonna go ahead and change the axles. But when I change the axles, the wheel's not gonna work. These back wheels not gonna work anymore. I like these billets though. I do like these billets. So what I'm gonna do then is buy another set of billets so I can put hard tires on. Cause I always like to have a set of street tires, street wheel setup for all my cars. That's why I can't wait to my shop up, cause I got so many cars. I have factories and rims. For all the cars that got rims on, I got factory tires where I can put the smaller tires on. And I also have a set of slicks and front runner for every car. Like R&B has 3 sets of wheels and tires. Dolo has 3 sets of wheels and tires. Meech, 3 sets of wheels and tires. And this car here gonna have 3 sets of wheels and tires. So that's how we're gonna do it, y'all. We're gonna, when I change the axles, these wheels gonna be for sale. I'm gonna sell these billets to somebody. I'm gonna keep my tires. I'm gonna buy the same billets, get them painted black, and they'll be a 5x4 3/4 small Chevy boat pattern. Put the hard tire back on, then I have my factory wheels set up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna end up having a set of racing wheels just so I can put on the back for this 10-inch wide racing wheels. So I will end up buying 2 sets of back wheels. They'll be mixed match, cause I don't kill. They'll be mismatched too. So I'm gonna get me a set of back wheels just to put slick on whenever I want to take this car to the track and have a little fun with it. And for the most part, it's gonna be on the 22s all the time. And sometimes me, I just like to change profile. So, cause I actually do this car clean. That what Cuzzo talking about the other day when I had showed him. He like, man, it really clean like it is. It is. It's super clean. I love it. It clean as a fool on. Like the setup like it is. So, you know, sometimes I get in the mood. I want to switch back and forth. I want the 22s on. Then sometimes I want to take them off. And I just like to ride like this, man. So, just like Meech. I like Meech and Dolo on all set of wheels they have too. Like I like Dolo on the 9C1 wheel. So, you know, sometimes I just like to ride like this, man. And R&B, I still got my Cutlass, my chrome Cutlass rallies and stuff on white leather. So, you know, I like having choices on different profiles, man, depending on where I'm gonna pull up and all that good stuff. But y'all got to see it on the outside, man. Train smoke did good. That was my fastest pair I done made to date. But y'all know me, it's gonna get faster. It's gonna get better. Cause I ain't even got the really tweaking on the car, and I ain't even fooled with suspension. It got some good shots on it. They just mismatch right now. But when I put them doubles on there, y'all know I can turn them knobs. I know how to work them knobs now. I had to learn how to work them. Cause they're rim. So when I get the tuning their suspension, it's gonna be on then. So yep, man, that's it. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.